Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel's suitability for various tasks. Excel is a truly powerful tool, widely used for its incredible versatility. It excels at handling structured data, making it perfect for tasks like budgeting, inventory management, and simple data analysis. Its grid-based layout and formula capabilities allow users to quickly process and understand numerical information, making it a go-to for millions of people daily. While Excel is fantastic for many uses, it does have limitations. When dealing with extremely large datasets, perhaps over 100,000 rows, performance can slow significantly, and the risk of data corruption increases. For team projects, managing multiple versions of a single spreadsheet can become a nightmare without specialized tools. Also, for intricate database operations, Excel simply isn't the most efficient or secure option. For tasks where Excel might not be the best fit, several alternatives shine. Database management systems like SQL are built to manage millions of records with high efficiency and integrity. Collaboration tools offer real-time editing and version history, preventing conflicts. And for advanced analytics and interactive dashboards, specialized business intelligence software provides far more robust capabilities than a standard spreadsheet. So how do you decide if Excel is a yes or no for your specific need? It truly depends on your project's scope. For smaller, personal tasks or quick calculations involving a few thousand data points, Excel is often the perfect choice. However, for enterprise-level data management, extensive collaboration, or highly complex analytical models, exploring other specialized tools will likely yield better results and greater efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.